everyone, it's me, Lauren Cadillac, and I am with Cadillac Law. This is Brooke. She is our intern for 2022, and we're excited to have her here. Brooke just asked me about a client case where it involves a reverse mortgage. So I decided, why not teach everyone about reverse mortgages? So here we are. As always, none of this is legal advice, and none of this creates an attorney-client relationship between my firm or any of the viewers, okay? This is just stuff that I've learned along the way. Reverse mortgages, really honestly, like when I found out how they truly operate, it was one of those things like, I can't believe this is legal. Okay. So basically, let's say you're a homeowner and now you're 70. You've paid off your home. You know, you bought it in your 30s, you paid it off. Obviously, if you bought it 30 years ago, it was worth a lot less than it's worth today, right?
Right.
So you, as a 70-year-old, think, gee, I need some money, maybe some medical expense, who knows, you know, you need some money. You can go and get a reverse mortgage. And that is, the mortgage company gives you money, gives you the equity of your house, and does not expect you to make payments. Okay? So you can take that equity, you can take that money at 70 years old, and you can have it, and you can do whatever you want. You're gonna get a bill every month, but you're not expected to pay it. It's just because that's the law. They have to send you a bill, they have to show you the interest, so on and so forth. Here's the catch. Your family, your heirs, have 6 months to pay off that mortgage after your passing, or else they lose the property.
Wow.
So here in Dallas County, I know we've talked about this, the clerk is currently 30 days behind on filing.
Right.
So if your mother had a reverse mortgage and she died today is June 1st, let's go with June 1st. Okay, she dies today, she has a reverse mortgage. If you hire me, you're not gonna hire me tomorrow.
Right.
Because your mom died today.
Right.
So you're gonna be sad tomorrow. You're gonna be sad on Friday.
Yeah.
Let's say that you are, like, she was terminally ill, so you kind of knew it was coming, and then maybe on Monday the 6th, you come to hire me.
Okay.
It's gonna take me at least 7 days to draft the paperwork.
Right.
Right? So now we're at mid-month, we're at mid-June, and you've hired me, you had the money, you paid me, I've written paperwork, you've signed it, now we can go file it. Let's say we do that on June 15th.
Okay.
The clerk of the Dallas County Probate Court will not even look at my filing until July 15th. Now, they might look at it on July 15th and go, nope, this is wrong, reject it, send it back to me. Now it's not gonna get looked at again until August 15th. Let's say they do accept it. Well, then there's all these types of notice and publication I have to do. So then once it's accepted, then I can request the publication. So let's say it gets accepted on June 15th. Now I request the publication. Publication's not gonna happen until July 15th. Once the publication happens, then we have to wait an additional 10 days by law. Okay? So that 10 days is gonna happen on July 25th. Well, guess what? Even though the paperwork is sent to the clerk that says this was done on July 25th, when is the clerk gonna input it?
30 days later.
Correct, August 25th, right. So now finally, August 25th, everything is done and I can call the court and get onto their calendar. Every court is at least 90 days back. September, October, November. Look how close we are pushing 6 months.
Right.
Now, what if we get in there, your mom died without a will or your dad died without a will, we have an heirship, and the ad litem finds a sibling you didn't know about? There goes your 6 months.
Yeah.
Your 6 months is gone. Poof, vamoosh, out the window. They're taking that property.
Right.
Period, end of story. I've had so many people come in here, and my mom worked her whole life for this property. She did this, and guess what? Now it goes back to the bank because your mom did a reverse mortgage.
Wow.
Yes. So, when is a reverse mortgage like okay or a good thing? Personally, I think if you're one of these folks who does not have family, like I had a good friend who was never married, she was an only child, both her parents were deceased, she had no children, so it's just her, right? If she pays off her house and she's 70 and she wants money, go for it. She has no one to leave anything to. Who cares if the bank takes it? She
Yeah.
got to spend her money while she's alive.
Right.
Right? Go for it. Do it.
Yeah.
But if you're someone like me, Brooke, no, you're too young, but like me, I want to leave these kids something, right? Like, I didn't do all this work and pay this mortgage for 30 years just to like, psh,
Yeah.
right? So if you're someone who has children or is trying to leave a legacy or has any interest in leaving something behind, a reverse mortgage is not for you. So in our case that we're going to talk about when I stop recording, our client's parents had a reverse mortgage, and we're helping her work with someone because she's going to refinance it and get that reverse mortgage paid off. So she's going to go get a traditional mortgage. They'll pay off the reverse mortgage. She'll get any extra money if there is extra money. And then she'll make normal payments. So when she passes away, it'll be a normal note and it'll transfer to her heirs.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Good to know.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us.